Hello traders. Hello traders, can you hear me? Hi everyone. Now you can see BTC chart. Okay. So I marked one range here and today, whatever is the day's low, this I have marked. Expectation is if market breaks this upper level, it has a chance of moving towards the upside. From there, it can correct. Okay. So with that logic, what I'm going to do is simply I'll get ready for the first trade. In case if it gives a breakout here, then I can try to capture the moment. Okay. Until this level breaks, it is a risky situation itself. Already previously in the crypto community group, I've shared if this level breaks, we can expect a momentum towards the upside. But if anyone is worried, maybe after this continuous fall, you can look for a reversal. From there, you can plan. We will try to do both the setups. Okay. Now I'm going to place an order here. So as of now, it's going in a bit of loss. Okay. Cost to cost. So expectation is it will move towards the upside. There's no point in giving stop loss more than that. Okay. Maybe little here I can give. I'll go down, add. Stop loss will be, uh, let's say I'm going to choose this. I can say copy price and then I paste it here. 670. So I'll just confirm the stop loss for the trade. Okay, this is my stop loss. So where have we entered here? I'm going long. Entry was here. Stop loss is here. Target, I'm just thinking about this range. Okay, so if this breakout happens well, then market has a chance of moving towards the upside, reaching the target. In case it reverses, then stop loss will be hit. Ideally, stop loss should be a bit lower itself, but since the market has given a breakout at this zone, there's a potential of continuation. So if it breaks off this zone, then bigger momentum towards the downside is possible. So no plan in, no point in giving a bigger stop loss here, right? Now in the comment section, just let me know how your crypto trade is actually going. I just went a bit that side. Okay, anyways. Now you see previously was acting as this area was acting as support, right? Market moved up, took support here, moved towards the upside again. So expectation is maybe in the future this area can act as resistance. That is why I'm considering this as seller's pressure zone. Okay. So if the movement happens, okay, we will try to capture that. And from the selling pressure zone, we will try to look for any reversal setup. Maybe I can draw a trend line like this. Okay. So if market moves up, hits the target, something like that, we will consider exit. Going well, awaiting your price action course. Yeah, traders have to. Already there's a strategy which I've shared, right, with the community members. You guys can have a look at that. Please take a course on price action and plotting, etc. Okay, plotting, what you mean? Actually, I'm not having good on small cases. You're saying for crypto trading, plotting price action course or what it is? Hello, Dheeraj sir. Hello. Fibonacci. Okay. I made a video based on Fibonacci for Nifty and Bank Nifty already. Now, for crypto market, based on stop loss hunting, more changes I have to do. All those things and all on a regular basis I'm testing, right? So our setup usually works good in the market, but here you can see I discussed about our setup. It had given an opportunity, but later you can see we have discussed about the 50 100 EMA. Whoever is the member of the community group, you already know what is the logic behind why 50 EMA, why 100 EMA and all those things, right? So we kind of understood, okay, there's a chance of market correcting, so we avoided taking the trade based on our setup. So here you got to learn something today, right? So same way we will try to on a regular basis we'll keep sharing setup. Those of you who want to join the crypto community group, in this video description box you will find the link so you can join. Now around $19 profit. See, for me this zone was kind of an area where in case market comes out of this zone, maybe I'll be looking for momentum towards the upside. Also what you can see is if market comes out of that zone, it is also a 236 level. So below 236 level, if market was staying, I would have kind of avoided taking any trade, because this zone, the idea was either it has to break this upper level for a call option trade, or it has to break the lower level for put option trade. If during the live, if market was just trading within this range, I would have kind of avoided taking any trade. Now since market has corrected so much, I'm thinking, okay, stop loss can be somewhere at this zone, I mean target, not planning for a bigger breakout setup. Reversal in the future we can expect. With that logic, small target towards the upside I have kept. We will see how it goes. Bank Nifty expiry strategy not working nowadays as the lot size has changed. Please modify the strategy and update soon. Okay. Sure, I'll do that, but lot size is kind of increased. Because of that, the capital requirement also will increase, right? So based on that, little bit of rules also I have to change. Sure, Manoj sir, I'll look into that. Okay, I'll look into that for you. Missed the trade. Okay, no problem if you have missed the trade. Maybe at the upper level, as per my view, if the market moves up, this is selling pressure zone. Here, any bearish setup, we can look for opportunity. Okay. Or in case my stop loss hits, market goes below this zone, makes a bearish momentum like this, gives a breakdown, then we will again focus on put option trade. I mean, selling setup. Trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty always makes me say put option trade, call option trade only. Hello, Ajay Sharma sir. Hello. Vijay sir. Hello. We'll see traders. How this trade setup go. There's a small trading opportunity. After this fall, a small pullback is expected. With that logic, I'm looking for, I've planned for this bullish trade. Maybe at the upper level, any bearish setup based on our concept, what I've shared with the members community group. If that setup is available also, we'll look into it. Okay. When will be the next crypto price action course coming? Crypto price action course regularly I'm testing and all those things, small changes I'm doing, right? Initially I said the first course I'll give in the month of November end, but October end only I gave you, right? So now for this one price action, maybe let's say one more month time. Okay, after 1 month of live trading, all those things and all, maybe for new year I can give the course. Okay. all those things will be free, so nothing to worry about. Which platform is good for crypto? See, I use Delta Exchange, okay, because it is FIO registered, and this is the first broker I've been working with. Other brokers, I'm not sure. This is the first broker, as per my close friends who's trading in crypto, as per their recommendation. I thought, okay, let me go about this. So I'm not having any difficulty with Delta.exchange. Everything is going in a flow. So I didn't feel the need to test or check other platforms. Sir, it can also reverse from 0.5 or 618 level. Yeah, there's a possibility. Now, if you see the selling pressure zone also comes somewhere near 0.5 only, we will see. I mean, from the upper level, if you check, right? From the upper level, if you check, there's around 50-60% correction. From here, market can correct, right? That possibility is there. If it hits my stop loss, maybe next setup I will look into. It was a dramatic fall actually, right? Before I come live, there's dramatic fall in the market, because of which continuously people's psychology will be affected. Even they'll be planning for bearish setup. So we have to see if this setup we get at this breakdown previous swing, right? Let me show you. This swing breakdown, many people would have entered. So to trap them, market is kind of reversing from here. Okay, they will think lower high is forming in the market, but by chance if market goes and hits a target, all of these people who entered at the bearish level, they'll be trapped. Now only they are kind of trapped. If it goes here, definitely they will exit. So fresh selling can happen at this zone. Okay, with that view itself, I'm looking at the market. Ideally, here itself, I was thinking of planning my trade, uh, but what to do? Little to understand the market, it took some time. We will see. We are going little bit opposite to the trend, but the idea is to just capture a small momentum in the market. Which platform I'm using? I'm using Delta Exchange. Kind of, we will see where the market either 382 level. So until this level, if it reverses also, okay, our stop loss is kind of managed at that zone. It is little below that itself. So from here, if we consider uh, low, high, here higher low, and here if it forms a higher high, from here if it is correcting, our setup can work well today. In crypto, it is difficult to get 1:2 sometimes. See, if you plan only 50% of the time, okay, but small stop losses I will give. I'll try to capture bigger movement in the market. It is possible. If you see the community group, many times I would have shared about the setups. I think at what time? Here. Now you see the setup. When did I share? I said before the setup form itself, I said like this movement is possible, right? As per the strategy and Fibonacci levels also. So from there, if you have already planned near 0.5, this is easy 1:3 risk reward trade, right? So some, it is there, opportunities are there. It is just that we have to see, is taking so much risk, is it okay for us? If that is an important zone, taking risk there is kind of fine. But if it is some random places, if you plan, yes, we can get stuck in the sideways market. Around 38 people watching the live stream, only 10 likes. After liking the video, please mention your name in the comment section below. I will announce your name, okay? Maybe traders, you would notice that I'm speaking a bit differently today, because I was constantly traveling quickly. At 9 o'clock, I have come and sat in the market. So before that, all the checking of the setup, all those things I was doing on my mobile phone itself, and that's why. Okay. Hi Vijay sir, hello, hello. So I'll read out any comment. Okay. Hi sir, there is a lot of BTC USD chart, BTC USD Binance, BTC crypto. You can use that Binance chart. Okay. I'll share that in the group. Okay. If anyone wants to look at that, I'll share that in the group. You guys have a look. Then you will get to know which chart to look at. Okay. Market from the low. Okay. Market from the low, a high. Breakout where we wanted, we got. Higher low. If it forms a higher high, that's a good signal for us. By the time it achieves the target, there's a easy, what is it? 1 to 1.5 risk reward only I've calculated because I'm going opposite to the trend, right? So that's the reason. We will see, traders. Now today's market video, did you have a look at during the second half after 1 p.m. what kind of movement both Nifty and Bank Nifty did? Our Indian market is acting crazy, right? I discussed about that. Just just go to our free Telegram channel. Okay, in that I think somewhere around 1 o'clock, 1:18, I've explained about this upside momentum possibility with all the logics. So if you watch that, you will get to understand how price action is working, how stop loss hunting is working in the market. Early entry, right? Yeah, I tried. See, ideally for me, I wanted to enter at the zone itself. Okay. Why I wanted to enter here is because there was a range. Previously, this area was acting as resistance. This area was acting as, sorry, previously this area was acting as resistance. Once this level is broken, it acted as support. So when market came to the support zone, expectation was, okay, let me enter here. If market corrects nicely, I'll try to capture the moment. But what to do? Some extra confirmation and all we have to take. So I marked the upper range here. So this range. So instead of market correcting here, if it gives a breakout, and it is also our 236 level of Fibonacci, above this level, let us plan. Like that, I thought of planning my trade. I hope the logic behind my trade is clear for you. Dheeraj sir, I hope you have understood the logic why I took the trade, right? Waited for some time. Vargresi Joshua. Hi sir. Okay, okay, Dheeraj sir. 97,050 zone. Okay, what? Some people they want to know how to place target, right? So I can place here 97,050. This is the target. I've just updated. 7 near the zone. Some traders also what you can do little confusing about which price and all. Go here, right click, you will get copy price, right? You copy the price, leave point 0 something like this. So copy this, go here, only the last digit you paste, and remove this, something like that you can manage. Okay. try to put some kind of zeros, fives, like that. Okay, for example, 9 97,050 I put instead of 61, something like that. Exact numbers. So those triggers, when we said, those levels can be hit. Usually the market will try to hit all the levels, but when you put the round numbers, so it will be more beneficial. I'm sure for many of you, this crypto market is very new, right? How is your crypto experience going? How is price action, stop loss hunting, all those concepts working for you? Are you able to get a hold of this crypto market? I'm asking you guys only. In the comment section, please mention how is your crypto trading going on? Can you try to mention the price? See, this is the price, 96,865 to 97,300. Of course, it is a big range, but selling pressure anywhere at this range it can start. So, if market is falling around to 2,000, 2,500 points easily, then a range also to a certain extent should be a kind little big, right? That is why. Still need to adapt. Okay, sir. Okay. The plan right now, market is formed a low, high, higher low, higher high. So expectation is it can move towards the upside. Uh, Market has gone above 0.236 level. With that logic, I plan my trade. So little below only I've kept my stop loss so that in case market corrects so much also, from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level, if it corrects up to 60% also, later it can bounce. Okay. So that is the logic behind why I placed my stop loss at this zone. And the risk reward for the trade I've kept less than 1:2. Only reason is because we are going opposite to the trend. Last 1 hour market was trending, right? I mean to say, this move, continuous move is there. So little correction is what I'm maximum expecting. After that, if it is continuing that move, then later we will see. Okay, if it consolidates here, again forms, consolidates, gives a breakout, that time, okay, next setup we can plan something like that. Okay. First time I joined your crypto live session, I enjoy it. Okay, cool, sir. Thank you. What do you mean? What time, Vijay sir? If you can be little more specific, it will be great for me also for to understand and answer. Excuse me. Now compared to live market and Nifty and Bank Nifty, crypto market, very less people are there in the live stream. Number of comments also is less. First thing I would like to do is like the live and then start watching. Okay, thank you, sir. 2013 is when I started. I fear it is too early to make a comment. Still, I feel that crypto can behave technically more accurate than Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. The crypto market is at the initial stage, before people was thinking about crypto investment, all of many scams has been going on at that time and all. I did not speak too much about crypto, you see. Only when uh, I got to know, okay, we can trade in futures and options using Delta Exchange, and we are not owning crypto, right? That day only we are taking the trade, closing the position, so risk is kind of reduced. At the same time, if I want to trade in the futures market, easily I'm getting that leverage. But of course, too much of leverage also people should not use. I made a basic video explaining how to place stop loss, how to place target. Since we're trading in dollars, how to calculate everything. I've explained all those things. So if you watch those videos and you just trade with 10 units, right? 5 units, 10 units, like that at the initial stage. If you are worried to make loss, see, loss is a part of trading, right? So best thing what you can do, don't get scared to give losses, but make sure the losses as per your capacity. If you just want to trade with even one unit, do that. But as long as you don't place the entry, you don't place the stop loss trigger, you don't place the target trigger, the live market feeling you do not get. So you have to do it with less quantity at the initial stage. Fibo concept good. Today I take profit. I send screenshot to you, sir. Okay, okay. Cool, sir. Maya, sir, hello. Welcome. I don't want to ask for this. We should do it ourselves. What are... Yeah. Okay, okay. Liking the video, is it? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I know definitely there are many genuine followers here. Some people might be very new in regards to crypto, because recently only, even I'm just 3 months, 4 months old when it comes to crypto. See, anyone who has planned your trade at this zone, I think around, you see this move. How much points move is this? 700 points. Like this move, can you expect in our market? It's very difficult. Very rare cases for stop loss hunting it happens. But once Trump came, everything is nicely increasing here. So since the stop loss and all, I've told you, right? If you're trading with 100 quantity, for every 100-point correction, you will lose $10. Every time market moves up, you will gain $10. That is the logic, right? So before, maybe 200 points risk you could have given. But now what is happening, risk what you have to give has been more because of the market volatility. So you cannot, the stop loss what you have to give, you can't change that. But what can you change? You can change your lot. If you're trading with 500 lots, I mean quantity, reduce it to 100. That time the risk for the trade will reduce. If you're trading with 10, bring it down to 50, or if you're trading with 100, bring it down to 50, 75, like that. Like that you can manage the risk. All right. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, I hope you have watched the basics of crypto trading video, what I've posted on YouTube, around 30 to 35 minutes video. So I would highly recommend you to go and check it out. And also, those of you who wish to join the crypto community group, I will share the link with you here. The link is also there in the description box below. You can check it out. But those who want me to put it in the pin comment, I'll do that. So you can directly join. Okay. What else, traders? So those who wish to join the crypto community group, I'll paste the link here. Okay, I've pasted the link. So those are interested, you can open account with delta.exchange using a referral link. Once you do that, you get access to our community group. In this, we have discussed about strategies, and regularly we'll keep sharing setups like this. All right. So you can see what kind of updates we share in the group. All those things you can check. You'll get access to that for free of cost. Next price action course, all the courses what we do, you get access for that also for free, right? So you can open account with delta.exchange if you are interested in crypto trading. Hi sir, can you give XNS referral link? I would like to continue the journey with you. I started following you for few years and I appreciate your art. Thank you sir. XNS I have not tried traders. I don't have XNS link. See, as of now, from the time we have entered, we have seen some 700 points already. So my idea is near the selling pressure zone. You can see the levels here. Near this level, market can reach and later correct. So because previously this area was acting as support from where market moved towards the upside. Once this level is broken, it can act as resistance. So with that logic, I'm looking at the market. Getting around 40% profit right now. Okay. Heavy movement in ETH. What is happening in ETH? Yeah. Now ETH has given a breakout here, right? So this we have to see if it is a false breakout or from here will the market correct. But since we have taken trade in BTC, I'm just focusing on that. We can, if you want, instead of entering at this breakout, we can wait for some time for the retest and then look for opportunity. 2 times it has tested, but not that confident about this breakout right now. If required, if it corrects here if it is showing any, let's say, comes up to this range, here if it is showing any bullishness, we can try. At the upper level, when we enter, we are already entering at the higher price. From here, if the market keeps moving towards the, it should keep moving towards the upside for us to see continuous profit. We are not entering at a fair price, right? We are already entering at the higher level. So waiting for some correction and looking for a pullback would be the most better thing that we can do in when it comes to Ethereum. Now BTC setup, if Ethereum corrects from the upper level, BTC also there is a chance it can correct. Anyways, I've given a reasonable stop loss for the trade. So if that corrects, what to do? Hopefully low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Like this moment, if the market do at the upper level, any breakdown setup we can get. There one symmetric pattern will be formed. Below the symmetric pattern, we can look for bearish opportunity. At the current zone, what to do? It's between our selling pressure zone, buyer's activation zone. We cannot plan for any trade. So our trade is already taken here. Fresh trade kind of we can avoid right now. Just watching. Okay, sir. No problem. Can we look for bearish setup in Ethereum? Uh, right now, no traders. I'll tell you how. I'll show you how to look for bearish setup. See, Ethereum has gone nicely towards the upside, right? Hmm? Now consider this as resistance. Let's say Ethereum has gone up to this level also. As long as it goes below this, let's not focus on bearish setup. If it's moving, let it move. Let it go below 0.236 level. Later we can focus. Okay. If you see this correction again, it is a retesting zone. From here it can move. So pullback, if you get, you will get fair price for entry. Okay. But if you enter here quick momentum like this, and then if you take a bearish trade, quick momentum like this hits your stop loss, means not that great. So here any bearish setup we can focus. Until then, continuation kind of will try to plan. Why I'm saying no bullish trade is because at the upper level we are entering, we are already entering at a higher price. That is the only reason. Now this BTC, hopefully our trade goes as per plan. If it forms lower, if it breaks this level, it can be a bit of problem, but our stop loss is a bit lower only. So kind of safe we can say. We will see what happens. Please share basic video link for crypto. Sure, sir, I will share. I'll just look for the link. Now, those who want to learn all the basics of crypto trading for absolutely free of cost, if you are very new to crypto market, in the comment section I'm pasting one link. Okay, please go have a look at that, because I have discussed a lot of things in that. How to place stop loss, how to place target, what should be the risk for the trade, how to choose your lot size, and all of those basic and important concepts. Since we are trading in dollars, how we need to calculate uh, for how many points movement, how much profit we will be making, all those things I've explained. So go have a look at that. It will be very useful. See, if it 50 EMA is on, if it is down, that's okay. Wait for some time. The setup what I have taken right now is not based on the strategy what is thought in the this one, right? Crypto community group. I'm taking it based on stop loss hunting or short recovery based on price action. So that setup we are looking at right now. But our strategy based setup, I think near the upper level you will get an opportunity for reversal. If that setup you get, then we will be looking at. Okay, just keep looking at the market on a 3 minutes time frame chart. So based on that, I think somewhere near 97,440 level, I think 97,440, if market moves up 97,440 level, you can expect a correction. Our setup also might form there. The setup which I've discussed in the community group. I have traded in option Nifty, Bank Nifty, or in crypto market. My capital is 30K. Please suggest. Should I trade in options in Nifty? Crypto options, see, if you are very new, then if you are in a learning stage, for crypto market you dedicate 10K. For Indian market you dedicate around maybe the remaining 20,000. If you think Indian market is something which you are more comfortable with, then trade there itself. Ibination, you're welcome, sir. This setup. Around 40 minutes I've come live stream. Another like 20 minutes I'll be live. We will see by then if the market will hit our stop loss or target. Since market has been falling, right, from today morning, from 3 o'clock continuously, BTC market is falling after US market open, bigger momentum we saw. So after such a big movement, expectation is market can correct a bit, maybe face resistance here or near this upper level, we can see a reversal. So we are going opposite to the trend. That is why I've kept my stop loss and target little less. Okay, stop loss. If I'm going as per the trend, stop loss would have been bigger, target would have been bigger. Since I'm going opposite to the trend, I'm okay with 1:1.5 or 1:2 risk reward, because this level also, if market breaks, then bigger momentum towards the downside is possible. So to avoid that, I think this can be the maximum risk I will be taking. Anyways, this is the targets. I had a long position in Ethereum, a small quantity, identifying the fib retracement level. Am I right? Or was it just by luck? See, it depends on what is the screen time you have given. Okay. So definitely Fibonacci levels plays an important role. Many big players use Fibonacci. That is why even I started to like more Fibonacci rather than other random indicators. So for me also Fibonacci levels have worked really well. But just because all of a sudden you took the setup, or over a period of time regularly you saw the setup based on the probability or the success rate of the levels, if you have taken the trade, good. We cannot say it is luck. If you have done it on a regular basis, you've been looking at the market on the Fibonacci levels, based on that, if you have taken, it's a good trade. 3,406, 3,005. Okay. How much great is Bollinger Band? I have not tried traders. Really, I have not tried. Mostly, I want to keep my charts as simple as possible. I want to look at the market based on price action, stop loss hunting, like that itself. In crypto market, yes, it is a bit different, kind of, but small changes. So that is what we are planning to do right now. Bollinger Band, I have not tried. Have you tried? How is it? See, any indicator you want, you can use. Okay, everything is okay as long as it is limited. Let's say you're using one indicator or two indicators, that is kind of okay. But when it exceeds more than that, then only complication starts. Let's say I'm using EMA strategy. Along with that, I don't want to use more indicators. I mean lagging indicators. I want to use which can give me forecast, like Fibonacci levels I can use, price action I can use. Price action is not an indicator, but I'm saying. So if we understand price action, if you understand Fibonacci levels, or you can use a CPR, pivot points, even that is a leading indicator. It is stagnant, it don't change over a period of time. So in those cases, you can use those kind of indicators you can use. Okay, I got it. I'm in the beginning stage. I have 2-3 months of trading experience only. Okay. Again, it has come to our entry point. Anyways, nothing has changed as per the setup. I had said, okay, market will, if it comes out of the zone, retest. If it moves up, it can continue. So what we will do, okay, stop loss and all, I will not change. Again, the same opportunity, still maybe second opportunity the market is giving. It is, sir, don't need any indicator. You are saying you don't need any indicator. Okay. See, basic price action also is fine, but some kind of extra reference you need to have, right? That is why, okay, even I use Fibonacci. No, that's for you. Okay, okay. See, mainly I try to understand the market based on psychology, but no one can be perfect all the time. So, hopefully, if it goes, if it's regularly working, it's good. If it doesn't work, we have to make certain changes. Price action need to be learned. Yeah, yeah. Itish is your name, bro? Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Itish is my name. You are the master of price action and stop loss hunting. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. I don't consider myself as a master. Every day I'm learning. Even in this crypto market, I'm still learning only, sir. I will always consider myself as a learner. There are many people out there who are very much talented. For me, with the tools, with the idea what I have had over the period of time only, I have learned. But still, way more to learn. Always being a student is only better, traders. That is when we can learn something all the time. If we take that we are an expert into our head, things will not work out well. Many times like that I have thought and I have lost money. All this patience, everything over the period of time only. As long as you are learning from me, I'm learning from you based on the questions or the things what you guys are sharing, good only. Good, we all are learning from each other. Sai Money content. Thank you, sir. Anyways, thank you for the positive feedback. Around 49 minutes done. We'll see. In another 10 minutes, will the market give us the target or hit my stop loss? What do you think about this setup, traders? My expectation, I will explain. Market has come out of a range. It is forming higher lows and higher highs, but big trend is bearish. Expectation is it will go up to this area. Previously, what was the resistance? I mean, this zone. This zone was the support, right? This zone was the support. Market moved up. Again, it can come down until this. Once this level is broken, it acts as resistance. So this is where I have planned my exit. Later, this downside movement can continue. That time we'll be looking for bearish setup based on our indicator based strategy. In case for that strategy, somewhere at this zone only we'll get a bearish setup, I think. I'm looking on my mobile. At the upper level, we might get a bearish setup. For that, stop loss is small. So next from this upper level, if market forms a lower low, bigger movement can be captured, right? So with that logic, I'm looking at the market. But if it is staying above selling pressure zone, then that setup might fail. But the point about that strategy is what I've shared in the community group. Our stop loss, we know what can be the stop loss. Target can be unlimited. It can be 1 is to 3, 4, 5, 6. Many times 1000, 2000 points, 3000 points I have shown. Need to study from you. Sujit sir, thank you. Regularly follow our channel. If you're making use of the content, we all will learn together. Why Bitcoin? Why not other pairs? See, Bitcoins, you see the volume in which it is trading, it is good. Okay. And the whole idea is not to hold a position for too long. Somehow now I'm holding the position. But if you see, to a certain extent, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in that to a certain extent, liquidity is good, right? That is why we look into these instruments. Ethereum, you see, again, this level is acting as support. So from here, so when it comes to the support, that time if you plan your entry, from here if the trend continues, you will try to capture that, or else small stop loss you can exit, right? So the whole idea is to give small stop losses. If you're too worried about the quantity, reduce the lot size, reduce the quantity. As long as market is staying above 0.236 level, just focus on call setup. I mean for Ethereum. Bank Nifty. I want Ethereum also to go up. Bank Nifty. I mean, see again, I'm saying for Bitcoin, Bank Nifty. For so many years, speaking about Nifty, Bank Nifty, I'm not able to say bullish trade, bearish trade. I'm only saying, call option trading setup, put option trading setup. Like that, things have become. My short experience tells me DeMark works nice in crypto. When you say DeMark, I don't know what it is. How much capital is required? I think around 95 USD. You can say around 8,000, 9,000 rupees. Leverage is around 50. If you want to take any trades, right, what you can do, you just enter, let's say 100. For 100, it will tell you what is the margin requirement for the trade here itself before you place your entry. And here it will say available margin also. You can use that. With that, you will get to know if you are able to enter that position or not with the capital that you have. Around 54 minutes done. Still, we have not got the target. See, as soon as the live stream comes, I took the trade, right? So before coming live stream, what I did, I shared the setup. So this is the plan. If this level breaks, then upside from there selling pressure. So we will try to capture this moment during the live stream, because during the live stream, if I'm more confident about this setup, if market is here, then how can I take this setup, right? So 9 o'clock is our decided time. So I came live. That time only bullish setup was there. I know I'm going opposite to the trend. That's why risk reward I've reduced for the trade. Okay. Good evening, bro. When I notice my transaction log, I have seen 90% of my capital took as commission around 1.35. How can 90% even though my trade ended up with profit? See, that is why in this stream, you just go and see. I've shared a video link also. Okay. What I've posted on YouTube. How to trade Bitcoins. Okay. That video you go, please go and have a look. In that clearly I have explained how brokerage is calculated. Here only you can see, but in real terms, when you take a trade, how brokerage is calculated. So based on our brokerage, how much risk reward we have to take, how much risk we have to take the trade, why we should not use more leverage, all of those things I have explained, right? When you're trading in Bitcoins, leverage is based on the quantity you are trading. Okay, so approximately you take it this way. Let's say if you're taking 100 quantity, okay, here 100 quantity, if you take approximately for buy one entry, for sell one entry, right? For each $3.5, $3.5 is the brokerage. Let's say you took 200 quantity, then you double it. Here total how much? $7. Here it will be $14. In Nifty Bank Nifty, when you trade, the brokerage will be how much? It will be 20 rupees. And apart from that, GST in this and other fees is also STT tag, all those things and all separate it will come. But in BTC all included for 100 units, around $7 will be the brokerage. And if you try, if you think, that means what? Your brokerage is calculated based on the lot size, right? Not based on triggers, each order. So here, let's say 50 quantity I have taken, okay? For this, brokerage will be somewhere around $3.5, you think. Again, one more 50 quantity if I add. So my brokerage together for 100 units will be $7. Like that you can calculate. But end to end, everything I've explained in that video, in this live stream comments you see, there is I've shared a link, YouTube video link, how to trade Bitcoin in Delta Exchange. In that, everything I've explained. Now those things and all, definitely for community members I could have given, but since it is one of the most valuable content, so even though you're not part of the community, I've given that video for free in the YouTube itself. My humble request to you to consider the new indicator DMARC, which was developed only in 19. I will do my research on this, traders. This DMARC, whatever you are saying, as long as I am not sure what it is, as long as I am not confident about that, I don't want to give any kind of communication, or I don't want to speak about certain things which I don't know. I will do my research only then. I'll look into it. If it is valuable, only then I'll bring it to your notice, or else I'll not speak about it. Now traders, around $28 profit, close to 1 hour live stream done. I'm not sure who has taken this trade or not. In case you have taken this trade, if you want, just get your stop loss here, somewhere here, so that the risk for the trade will be less. If you in recent times, if you think you have made loss at the initial stage, you have not made any profits. If you made the profit, just think about exiting, no problem. Not necessary you have to stay for the whole trade. The main reason I am sticking for the trade and all those things is because eventually, what was our goal? Our goal is, I came with 1 lakh capital. So slowly we want to grow that. It is growing. We will see based on that how much more we can take this capital, right? That 1 lakh capital, what I bought only is for learning purpose. In that, over a period of time, we will try to see with even if I lose 1 lakh, how much education I will get. All my learnings I will share with you guys only, right? As of now, things are going well. Our capital has increased to 40,000 more. In future, I'll be having live sessions with the crypto community members, okay, where anyways in this live I have explained, but certain changes I'll be making to the strategies also For that separate live session I'll be conducting, not this month, maybe beginning of next month. So there we are going to increase the success rate of the strategy even further. Already success rate is good, but small tweaks, what and all I have learned, all those things also I will discuss with you guys. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Now traders, close to 1 hour live stream is done. It seems like market is taking too much of time to reach the target. Sir, does the forex trading is legal in India? It is not legal, so I don't trade in forex. Before also, I don't know why I have never had so much interest in regards to forex, because I felt when Nifty, Bank Nifty, all these things, these index only is giving, our stocks is giving. Here only we have good opportunities. Why go abroad? I mean the global market. Now since many of my friends, they have shown what is the benefit of crypto market and what is the risk involved and what is the leverage involved, all those things, I took some time before me deciding, okay, this crypto market can be good. Okay, since it is at the initial stage, now only I can try. So that is why this BTC market I have chosen, and that too it comes under our government rules, right? It is FIO registered, so that is one added advantage. It comes under our government regulation, so we can be confident that someone is monitoring. And also, anyways, we are trading in BTC. We are not, investing in BTC. We will see, traders. Okay, what I will explain the setup or the view. Now here, first thing was, previously this area was acting as resistance. Okay. Once market broke this level, this area became support. So that is why I marked this level. One more, you can see this area was acting as support. Once this level breaks and once market goes below this zone, this becomes resistance, right? So I was looking at the market based on Fibonacci level. After this continuous momentum in the market towards the downside, I draw a trend line. I thought market has potential of moving up to this level, and the sellers who are here, after market moving up to 50%, 60% of Fibonacci level, they can push the market even lower, right? So that is why there is the selling pressure zone. Near the selling pressure zone only, I have decided to exit my trade. So at that point of time, even if it gives a breakout here, I'll be looking for any reversal setup. Okay, if it moves up above the selling pressure zone, if it goes, corrects, continues the trend, only then I'll be bullish, or else I will go as per this bearish setup. So as of now, I think I have explained the logic behind the trade, everything clearly. If it is confusing, anyone who's watching the stream now, if it is confusing, let me know. I'll explain the setup again. BTC trade requires filing ITR like Indian market. See, everyone has to file their ITR, right? If you are paying based on, doesn't matter in which tax bracket you come under. Some people up to 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs, you don't have to pay tax, but you have to file ITR, right? So this BTC also, you can treat this as a business. You will be paying 30% of tax on this one only when you reach that certain business limit. Okay, more than 20 lakhs, more than 30 lakhs, like that. When you go above a bracket only, you will fall under 30% tax bracket. Let's say you are making only let's say 9 lakhs per annum, just as an example I'm giving. Okay, anyone can be earning more, less, but for example sake I'm just saying, Let's say you're earning 9 lakhs from BTC, you for that year you made 1 lakh, you will file a ITR, but where is the tax? There's no tax. Here already while taking the trades, you will be filing GST and all those things. I mean, for every trade that you take, you place an order. That's $7 for 100 quantity, whatever I'm speaking about. It is including GST. This trade is based on 3 minutes time frame. No, if I switch to 5 minutes time frame also, what is it? Market nice correction. After that, we cannot expect complete recovery, but we can expect at least uh, around 50%, 60% correction. After correction, trend can continue. So this reversal setup, when I came live, before coming live, I saw that. So I thought, okay, risk is small, reward also is decent. We'll quickly capture this moment and go away. But market is taking time. What to do? Close to 1 hour is done. Trading is a business of patience. So I've gotten used to it. Only thing is, if this setup is done, one more setup I could have spoken about. That's all, right? Same setup, if I keep speaking for longer duration, people might get bored, things like that, right? That is the only reason. Kindly explain setup once again. Okay. See, for understanding the concept, you need to understand price action, right? Let's say there is a level called resistance, there's a level called support. If market it is holding on to this resistance, if it gives a break that level in future, it can act as support. Same way, if support breaks in the future, it can act as resistance, right? So what I decided, I checked the past. In the past, I got to know, let's say I'll switch to 15 minutes. You can see this range was acting as support. Once this level breaks, it should act as resistance. But my expectation was after this continuous fall, market can correct at least 50%. Okay. Because many people looking at this move, looking at this breakdown, they will think about entering bearish trade. But market need liquidity. To create liquidity, it can move up. So that time people who wants to enter bearish trade, they will get a bit confused. Should I enter? Should I not enter? They'll keep thinking, okay, at this reversal, I'll plan. Market can correct. Again, market will move up. Slowly, it will move up. When it's moving slowly towards the upside, it is creating liquidity. By that time, it hunts the stop loss. I want to exit the market. After this fall, correction. So before this correction, I want to exit from the market. That is what I wanted to do, but it is taking more than 1 hour. What to do? So this levels also, you can see to a certain extent, it is coming around Fibonacci levels itself, right? So this zone we can mark. So those of them who's taken the trade, maybe see when market came to this support also. I forgot to mention that. Let's switch to 30 minutes. You see previously this area was acting as resistance, right? Once this level is broken, this area will become support. I mark the support level. But by the time I give the update and all those things in the community members group here, that movement had already started. So I thought, okay, market is in a consolidation range right now. What we will do, random entry we should not discuss, because here if you enter, stop loss will be very big without this breakout. For example, you see here 236 level, if market comes out of the zone, I thought, okay, let me plan. So based on that only we took the plan, but what to do? Market is kind of sideways. It's acting weird. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum double bottom. We'll see up to this zone. Ethereum is not giving that much confidence, traders. Little lower. You mark this range also. You see this becomes the left shoulder, this becomes the head, and in future if right shoulder is formed, this becomes the bullish setup. I've not gone into the setup in detail. I'm not checked. I would require some more time. Maybe after some time I will look into this. If there is any opportunity, I will let you know. But from here, if Ethereum starts falling, even Bitcoin can correct. Our setup might fail. All those things are there. But since I've decided the stop loss already, I'm just going to stick to it. Okay. Almost after seeing what from the time we enter close to 750 800 points, it has gone sideways. What to do? Okay, what I will do, anyways, the setup you guys already know. What is the logic, everything you guys know. So what I will do, we will end the live stream. Okay, those who have made use of today's live stream content, let me know in the, please share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Every day 9 p.m. we come live. Okay, so before coming live also, I'll mention that in the free Telegram channel. You can follow us there also. And one more thing, we have a crypto community group which is absolutely free of cost. Those who are interested, the link for joining the crypto community group is there in the pinned comment. Okay, you need to open account with delta.exchange, and then you have to send a WhatsApp message to the number what you're seeing on the screen. If you do that, you get access to our price action course content and also the regular setup. One is the strategy we'll be sharing, right? So many updates related to the strategy based on price action. Here also I had discussed about the moment based on our strategy. So all of these things will be shared for absolutely free of cost for everyone who opens an account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. Okay. Delta Exchange is the platform. A link is there in the pinned comment. Okay, traders, it's been more than 1 hour 30 minutes. I'll keep you posted about the trading setup, okay, in the free Telegram channel. Thank you for everyone participating. We will see how long this trade will take. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Okay, I'll be ending the live stream now. Thank you for everyone participating. Okay, have a good day. Good night, sir. Bye, bye, bye.